Hi, I'm Amelia Sattler, and I'm the Associate Medical Director of HEART, Stanford's Healthcare AI Applied Research Team. I'm also a primary care physician here at Stanford. Today, I'm here to present from code to bedside using quality improvement methodology to implement big data solutions to solve clinical problems. First, I'd like to briefly introduce our team. Margaret Smith is our Director of Operations and co-developed this slide deck. Grace Hong is our research assistant, Shreya Shah is our informatics director, and Stephen Lin is the founding executive medical director of HEART. At HEART, our mission is to bring leading-edge AI technologies from code to bedside in support of the quintuple aim, and we leverage a unique combination of methods rooted in quality improvement methodology to guide our research projects. In effect, our approach is flipping the current narrative on its head. We're going from, okay, I have a big data set and have developed a machine learning model, now what? To, all right, I have this clinical problem that I need to solve. How could big data and machine learning enable the solution? The project I'm describing today is a collaboration with an external startup company, Codex Health, whose goal is to build products that help clinicians deliver better care by leveraging insights in healthcare data. We began our work by clearly describing and articulating a clinical problem, which is arguably the most important step. This not only begins the process of clarifying the potential use case for AI, but also helps bring into focus who this problem is important to and why. The problem identified was a high number of ambulatory sensitive emergency department visits in primary care patients diagnosed with chronic disease. Why does this matter? Well, ambulatory sensitive conditions are those for which effective outpatient care could potentially prevent the need for care escalation, therefore indicates that there may be opportunities to improve outpatient chronic disease management. Solving this problem would benefit a wide range of stakeholders, including patients, providers, and health systems. After studying the problem and identifying the variables that have a high impact on achieving the desired result, the key features for success, we intentionally evaluated the utility of an AI-enabled solution. Could AI help solve this problem in a meaningful way? And what type of AI, classification, or prediction might help? Does the model need to be built or is it better bought? And does the current system have capacity to act on the model outputs? There are already existing risk and utilization models. Most incorporate episodic EHR data, and the end users are payers. Our problem would benefit from additional data streams and clinician insights to validate and train the model to meet the clinical needs as opposed to the payer needs, as the goal for this work is to improve clinical care. Through iterative design sessions, we developed a map of the components of such a product. One of the key components is the AI-enabled application that generates insights from large amounts of data, both episodic EHR data and a steady stream of remote patient monitoring data. Though the first step is to build the model that can perform this function, throughout development we always keep in mind that the data will only become actionable if integrated into the current workflows and processes efficiently and effectively. Codex is currently utilizing Stanford's dataset to develop the aspect of the AI-enabled tool that can synthesize EHR data to produce risk and utilization insights and predictions. Alongside model development, they are designing an interface that presents insights from the data in a format that is user-friendly and high yield for clinical teams. Once we have the basic model built, we'll study and validate the model performance in the context of draft workflows, leveraging the QI Plan, Do, Study, Act framework. We're starting with testing the data flow in a simulation environment, and at the same time launching a series of small pilot studies to test the patient and provider-facing workflows. After refining the implementation through multiple PDSA cycles, we can then conduct an operational study to evaluate the longer-term clinical effectiveness of the product. Thank you so much for your time. We'd love to hear your questions and any comments. You can email me. And also, I'd like to invite you to take a look at our website where we have more information about some of our other projects and a video introducing our new simulation center. Thank you so much.